We're White Spot Group, trusted ISO certified professionals in commercial cleaning and facility services across Australia and New Zealand. We exist for one purpose, to create cleaner, safer and smarter environments, now and for the future. I'm Jeff Price, General Manager at White Spot Group. What started as a hands-on cleaning business in Sydney has grown into a national provider supporting complex multi-site portfolios with certified systems, trained people, commitment to doing things properly every time. Today, White Spot Group supports over 3,000 sites serviced daily, backed by more than 500 plus team members across Australia and New Zealand, and 96% retention over 12 months, because consistency on site starts with stability in the team. You'll find us in environments where standards matter: corporate offices, transport and logistics facilities, industrial and manufacturing sites, strata and buildings, and many more. We're fully insured and licensed, and we build every service around compliance, safety, and dependable outcomes. Our service offering is designed to simplify what's often complex. We tailor delivery to your site, your risk profile, your operational reality. Underpinning everything is governance you can rely on. We're certified to internationally recognised standards: ISO 9001 for quality, ISO 14100 for environmental and management, and ASNZS 4801 for occupational health and safety. With White Spot Hub, clients and teams have real-time service visibility, compliance reporting and job tracking, a central command designed to keep every site cleaned, compliant and cared for. We also believe strong service delivery should create value beyond the contract. In 2024, we launched our first Reflect Reconciliation Action Plan, endorsed by Reconciliation Australia, to drive cultural respect, inclusion and measurable accountability, including pathways for First Nations employment, procurement and the stronger community partnership. Sustainability is embedded too, through our systems, our policies, our training and our environmental objectives, guided by ISO 14001, aligned practices to reduce impact and improve outcomes over time. If you're looking for a cleaning and facility services partner that delivers with discipline, consistency and accountability, let's talk. White Spot Group. We make the visible invisible. Just cleaned it.